What up, world? This your boy ZK, aka Zimbabwe Kid, back again, and y'all know what time it is. This is the ZIG ZAG CYPHER Part 2, and this one is called What's Good? Alright, y'all know the drill. I'm gonna call out a couple of MCs, and y'all go ahead and do your thing and call out some more MCs. So just to be fair, a lot of people responded to the first video, and I can only call out maybe about 5 MCs. I'll go by order. The first 5 MCs that responded to my video are the ones that I'm going to call out. And so let's get into it. Alright then, ZIG ZAG CYPHER Part 2, brought to you by your boy Zimbabwe Kid, and I'm going to call out 5 MCs. First one, R.I.P. Grizz. Go ahead. Second one is Awake 24/7. Awake 24/7. Number 3, I'm call out officially M.O.B. Officially M.O.B. Number 4, I'm calling out E Wonder Music. E Wonder Music. Alright? And number 5, I'm calling out Murder Lock 5. Murder Lock 5. Y'all go ahead and wreck. Y'all go ahead and do your thing. Everybody knows the rules. If you don't know the rules, check out the description in the video box. Or ask a friend. General rules are, you gotta do you. You gotta be original. Number 2, you gotta call out somebody else. Rule number 3, I'm forgetting all the rules, man. Check out the video box, and y'all go ahead and do your thing. Alright then. Peace.